We all live by the choices we make. For me, that could be trusting someone with my car. My instincts on the open road. Or trusting the choices of others. Trust. It's a powerful thing.
And we are 3 minutes away before the race. What do we call that? Yamboy and Andy is on time. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our second watch along with the Purple Sector, with the Titos. Okay, Andy, how are you?
Yes, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Purple Sector. Watch along. Watch along po tayo. And yes, just a few minutes to go before the start of the Hungarian Grand Prix right now. They are just going through the starting grid. And can't wait for this one. McLaren 1-2. Lockouts up front. Let's see what's going to happen.
Yeah. All right. Yamboy, how are you, Yam? Are you excited for
Yeah,
the
hi.
Mercedes or McLaren? Again, ayun,
Yeah,
McLaren.
very excited. Very excited here. I have my setup right here. I have my Bean Sport. Tapos kayo dyan, dito sa kabilang screen ko. I have my cold beer. Ubos na yung pulutan ko.
Ayan, I have my code
So,
right here.
ready na.
Okay. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
there is a blank screen right here. I don't know what happened to Miles, but we're here. Doesn't matter. So he's gonna catch up. As always, radio check. Miles, where are you? Okay, so guys, again, as we all know, this is the setup for every race that we have right here. So this is the Hungaroring, also known as the Hungarian Grand Prix. So there we go. There's nothing happening right here. But of course, as always, gents, there was a little bit of a trouble where people were saying that we are, anong tawag dun, Andy, na tipong nauuna tayo parate. So, advance po kami ng 2 laps. So,
Medyo spoiler po daw tayo.
ano? Ano tawag?
Medyo spoiler daw tayo kasi
Spoiler.
nauna tayo ng konti.
Sorry. So we're gonna be that spoiler,
Yung bagalan natin
guys
ng konti.
right there. Yeah. So yun lang yun. That's the only downside with this. But nevertheless, thank you to F1 Dash. And there we go. They are running already. As you can see, it's moving already.
Isang
This
lap na.
is the warm-up lap or the formation lap. Teka, formation pa, di
Formation
ba?
lap.
Papunta pa sila doon.
Yeah.
Is this the time that they're gonna go formation pa, tama? Or is this a warm-up lap?
Formation lap na.
Formation lap. Okay.
Formation lap din.
Formation lap or warm-up
After
lap?
this, formation
Formation
lap. Warm-up lap, kanina pa yan. Formation lap na ito, and then after that, lights out and away they go na.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah, it's actually very exciting, no? Kasi sa qualifying 3,
yeah.
we will discuss that on Tuesday, pero sa qualifying 3 marami nang na-discourage sa kanilang mga pace because of the weather. Kaya
Yes.
yon, the two McLarens were very solid for the front row. Kaya very exciting. Maganda. Pero, Jong, kahapon, sabi ng Red Bull, medyo kulelat sila dahil sa weather. Kasi it was raining, it was cold.
Yeah,
So nakaset
yep.
up kasi yung kotse nila for a fine weather race ba. So
Okay.
what would you think? Anong gagawin ni Verstappen dito sa start?
You know what?
Kasi kulelat
Yeah,
lagi si Lando Norris tsaka si Piastri sa starting nila, 'di ba?
yeah. You know what? There are some things
And
really
Verstappen knows it.
that is really That's. Ay, teka, Yam. Before I'm gonna say that. Yam, remember? Hashtag TPS nephew. Where are you watching?
Yeah.
Tell us right now. All right,
Ah.
guys. Sino
Marami
yung
nang
mga,
nagsagot. Marami nang
comment?
nagsagot.
Please
Marami
tell us
nang
where you are,
nag-check in.
so we could be able to know where
Hashtag
you are.
nephew.
Yeah.
Hashtag nephew if you're a
Marami,
male. Hashtag nephew, your location. If you're a female, hashtag niece and your location.
Yun. So, let us know where you're watching from where you are now. And again, formation lap. That is a warm-up lap already, and now they are there. So it's lights out and away we go. So
Lights out and away we go na ito.
so more or less, guys, we
Okay.
are just a little bit of a spoiler right here. Tell your friends that we are here. Maybe it's a good time to join us watching this one. So here we go. Just a few seconds. Ayun! It's a go.
Ayan na.
It's a go. It's a go. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So
There-
Lando Norris looks good, but there's a blue car. Verstappen looks
Verstappen, sabi ko na eh.
Verstappen looks good
Sabi ko
right
na eh.
here. Look at that. Piastri is the one that making the move right here. Look, Verstappen is on Hamilton. Norris slide down to fourth. Wow. Oh, wow.
Okay, Piastri.
It's
Maganda ang
breaking
start
away.
ni Piastri, bay.
Hindi.
Yes.
Ano na
Red Bull was away.
Oh my
Lumabas siya sa
God.
racetrack.
This is a disaster for Norris. Look at
3
that.
wide
There was-
pala sila.
Yes.
Grabe. 3 wide into turn 1. Ang ganda.
Yes.
Okay, Norris,
Wow.
naunahan
Oh, wait,
na niya si
wait. Sorry.
Hamilton.
Ito si Norris P4 kagad. Ano nangyari dyan?
Wow.
P3 na si Norris, P3.
P3. A while ago, it's
Ayun.
P4, but he was able to
Mabawi
grab
pala.
back from Hamilton. But look at that.
Piastri,
Piastri is breaking
Piastri.
away.
Ah,
Piastri, let's
breaking
go!
away. Yeah. Okay, guys.
wait, Lando Norris.
It's just the start of the race. Let us know where you're watching. Of course, hashtag TPS nephew, hashtag niece, your name and where you are. So there we go. We're gonna read this one. Sige, yeah.
So dyan sa ating F1 Dash, you can actually delay the Yan pala talaga ang function nitong itong second counter dito sa may top right banda. You can
Yeah.
actually delay the data kung gusto mo. Yan pala talaga.
All right. Okay. Let's stay. CC
Okay.
Signs from Bulacan. TPS Nice.
Wow.
Nueva Ecija,
Magandang gabi.
Florence. Good
Magandang
evening to
gabi.
you, Carlos. Carl Conrad. Florence Dumale from Nueva Ecija. Sino pa to? Checking out Kai Chin from City
Already.
Roa City Capiz. San Juan, Justin Dominic Villalon.
Shaira,
Rizal.
magandang gabi.
Yes, good evening. Ken Valdez from Rizal. Good evening, everyone. There we go. And here we go. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And back to the race. Yam, ano nangyayari ngayon?
Okay, bye. Okay, since si Verstappen left the track and gained an advantage, noted
Yan, tama.
ng race control ito. Yeah.
Oh,
So
Shaira
baka
from
magkaroon
Laguna.
siya ng 5-second penalty kung hindi niya ibibigay kay Norris.
Norris. Oh, noted pa lang. Tingnan natin ang mangyari dyan. Pero it's
Kasi he
it's
was
pretty
on the
obvious, pero
outside.
yes.
He-
Oh.
He was on
At
the
saka
outside
problema
eh.
is this is lap 1 eh. Oh, ang problema is this is lap 1. So baka yan
Yeah.
ang iniisip ni Verstappen, baka hindi ako bigyan ng penalty dito kasi lap 1
Because
incident.
lap 1 incident. Yeah.
Oh, lap 1 turn 1 pa talaga.
Yeah, Shaira, good evening from Laguna, TPS Nice. Thank you so much for joining. And as you can see, the track layout right here, Verstappen is closing in on Lando Norris, or Piastri. Lando Norris holding back, and Hamilton is just chasing Lando Norris right here. So, wow, what a way for Piastri, you know? So Yam
Piastri is leading the race at 1 point.
Yes,
Just
at
one
one point.
fourth.
This is already lap number 2, right? This is already lap number 2 right here, and
Number 3, lap number 3 na.
Play na actually.
lap number 3 na ba?
Okay, for your bag tags and ball pens, antay-antay lang ng konti ha because of the production. But
Oh,
we will be
yes.
sending it to you, no problem.
No
Huwag kayo
worries. We're
mag-alala.
gonna send that one.
Yeah.
No worries about that. We never missed ayun, nung last watch along. Yes, Carl, relax. We're gonna give you that.
Relax lang,
Uh,
Carl.
that €5 lock should work for Piastri if you saw the video. Yeah, of course.
Mm.
Teka.
Okay, Verstappen is being told to let Norris pass.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Ayun, pinauna na.
Wow. So there
So,
we go. So
Yes,
there we go.
P1, Norris back to P2. Talagang
Wow.
binalik pala talaga ni Verstappen yung position. P3 na ulit
Yeah,
si
yeah.
Verstappen.
Because
Mm.
it's either 5% penalty or ibigay niya. Buti pa,
5
ibigay na
second
lang
yun,
niya.
oh.
Diba?
Bigay na lang niya. Oh. Maaga pa naman. It's only, fourth lap pa
Lap
lang
4
naman.
pa.
Oh. Tapos tingnan mo kagad, Verstappen kagad, fastest lap. Grabe.
Yeah.
Nahabol talaga ni si Norris.
So if you could look at our telemetry right here, sort of from our F1 dash. So Verstappen is all purple, which means that he is, gaining momentum right here and is about to overlap
Yeah.
to make an overtaking
Yeah.
maneuver from
Most
Norris.
importantly, he is within DRS
Yes.
zone ni Norris. So, pwede niyang habulin si Lando Norris dito.
Yeah.
Go Charles, overtake your future teammate.
Carl.
Medyo may reklamo si Verstappen about dun sa incident na yun. Pero, yeah, rules are rules, di ba?
Yeah. Pero he cannot do anything about it because he
Kaya nga.
committed on the outside. Lalabas talaga siya. Jong, pariset
Yep.
Jong.
Ay,
Telemetry.
sorry. Sorry about that. We have to do a reset right here. Way better than what happened last time that it froze, but
cannot
nevertheless,
This P1 Leclerc pa din ako.
yeah.
Let's see, P5. From P5, let's see. Stranger things have happened, G. So, let's see what happens.
Ito yung replay.
Maaga pa. Last 5 pa lang.
Yeah. But surprisingly, okay, Piastri is breaking away sort of right here with a 2.291 gap. And Lando Norris is just holding on, holding back Verstappen right here. And Lewis Hamilton, stuck
Nakasingit.
stuck in that one with the Ferraris. But, okay. Surprisingly, we haven't mentioned George Russell right here. Where is George Russell? There you go, number 15.
Medyo malayo si
Oh,
Russell.
wow. What happened to George? Oh, George.
Okay, ganito. You know why Verstappen is really worried? Kasi parang konti na lang yata yung magandang tires niya.
Oh, wow. Really?
Baka hard tires na lang yung natira.
Natira.
Kaya kailangan niya mag-gain na kaagad ng position.
Yes.
Kasi kung mapansin
Mahirap
ninyo,
yan. Look at
lahat ng nasa
Norris'
front row
pace.
is lahat ng nasa front row naka-medium sila kasi grabe tire degradation ang problema nila dito
Yeah,
sa
because
race
this is
na to.
high-speed racetrack. So, yeah. Sometimes this Hungaroring, also known as semi-Monaco, if you got the first position, the pole position, kinda mahirap overtaking
Tayo
maneuvers.
na yan.
Yes, something like that. Ito yung sa Hungaroring eh. But nevertheless, so
Nevertheless,
surprisingly guys,
yung turn 1 talaga, turn 1 is something to look out for kasi karamihan ng overtaking moves talagang mangyayari dyan sa turn 1.
and that's the only
Like, medyo,
that's the
the only place to
Yes,
really overtake,
yeah.
di ba? So,
Basta
watch
loaded
that
pa rin si
space.
Max.
Baga.
At your talent, Checo. Save your face. Okay, Checo, sinabi ni Sheira, where's Checo? Oh my God, 17. Oh, wow.
Nasa ano pa? Nasa Silverstone pa si Checo.
I mean, hindi na naman siya nakalampas sa Q1 kagabi.
Oh, yun na nga. Oh,
Nag-crash
yeah.
na naman siya.
Oh my
Grabe
God.
si Perez.
Oh,
Ayun si Perez, nasa likod ni Sargent.
Yun na nga. Surprising. Sorry.
Pero, I mean,
Palsa.
si Sergeant,
Problema mo, tol.
oy, Si Sargent na out-qualify
Problema mo,
niya si Perez and si Russell.
Oh yeah.
FYI lang.
Oh yeah, grabe. Wow.
Murica!
But guys, anyway, I was wondering but because Norris got the pole and Piastri got second, should be the other way around, that Piastri should be defending Norris for the Norris win right here. But it's, I don't know. What do you think would McLaren
race
do
naman
right here?
ang setting ng McLaren ngayon. Wala naman silang
Kasi-
pinapabor, di ba?
Kasi Jong, Piastri was during the start, Piastri was on the cleaner side kasi.
Yes, undercut
Pag
sabi ni
nasa
Hill.
pag nasa pito ka, maganda talaga yung ano mo. Maganda talaga. Not unless kung P1 ka and maganda yung reaction mo, maganda yung start mo, kaya mo 'yon.
Yeah.
Alam natin si Lando talaga may problema sa starting. Kaya nga nakasingit kagad si Verstappen on the outside Diba?
Yeah. I think that's the problem of Norris all the time, no? So, kumbaga,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Karamihan talaga ng start. Medyo,
Yeah. But yes. Oh, yes, Carlos, Carl Conrad. We are also live on YouTube, which is the Racing Line TV. Yes, we are also there. So,
McLaren should thank Checo. Yes, perfect. Yes, correct siya, Ira. They have to
Why?
thank Checo para mahabol pa nila yung points.
Yeah. Wow,
so just a few
grabe.
laps ago, napansin ko lang, no? Just a few laps ago, Nico Hulkenberg was at the back of the pack. Now he's P14. Nangyari, totoo yan? Talaga
No.
bang ganun siya
Wait.
kabilis? Or
Yes, Nico Hulkenberg
Bilis
started
No.
at the pit.
Because
Can I
yung mga
recall?
nauna sa kanya is nag-pit na.
yun,
Kaya
kaya pala. Uy,
Yes,
medyo
nag-pit.
maaga sila nag-pit ngayon,
Yes,
ano?
nag-pit. Tama
Nag-pit
yan.
lang?
Tama si Boy. Nag-pit. Na-notice ko, Norris fans shouldn't be happy pag
Pag
Paul
na- Paul
Silando.
Silando.
Oh, yes. That is also.
yes,
Yeah.
correct siya, Ira.
Yes, correct.
Always have problem up front, correct.
Nga eh.
Kaya
Yeah.
buti pa
Ayun, he
P2 or
started
P3
P11
siya.
daw, sabi ni Jay. Thank you.
Yeah. So,
Or even
Hulkenberg
P4.
right here. Up. Sorry about that. We have to
Ayan,
reload.
sync lang yan.
Yeah. There we go.
Importante lang, hindi siya hihinto like last time.
Yeah. We didn't record already, so I stopped recording. So this is it. Oh, wow. Miles is not yet here. I don't know. Where's Miles? Miles,
Ano
where
yan?
are you?
Hindi, nag-like na siya. Baka
Nag-reply na siya. Punta na siya.
kaka-dinner lang siguro.
Nag-acknowledge siya.
Yeah. Ito, ano to?
Justin Dominic Villalon, dapat gumawa ng bold decision si Dr. Helmut if stay pa rin si Perez after summer break. Di lang kasi WDC naapektuhan, kundi finance ng Red Bull.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Correct.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
He has to make a decision very soon. Kasi the way Perez is going, no, he is actually doing worse than Albon or Gasly.
Oh, yeah.
Let's be honest.
Exactly.
He's actually done worse. Mas grabe ang damage na nagawa niya in terms of finances. Mas grabe ang gastos ng Red Bull sa kanya.
Sige.
So, they really need to do something about this kasi
Okay.
Sergio cannot keep doing this.
Okay, to all our friends right here who's watching, who do you want to replace with Perez? Ricardo or sino to?
Yun si Miles, oh.
Yeah, Miles. Oh, Miles, you're here. Hi.
Yes, check 1, 2.
Oh,
Okay lang.
1, 2.
Audio.
Radio check. Good. Miles.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, welcome.
Miles!
Welcome. Piastri is
McLaren
leading.
nauna, Miles.
Tingnan mo yan, Miles. Oh.
Almost
Nagpalitan
3
lang sila.
Ayan, Miles. Oh, McLaren is gonna win tonight. Guys, okay, for those who are with us tonight in the comment section, maybe you could share a little bit. If in case Perez will be replaced during the half season or the who would you want it to be replaced? So definitely, let's pick on the two Toro Rossi or two Red Bull cars drivers, which is Tsunoda or Ricardo. Tingin nyo, di ba? Sino pa bang Lawson? Sino po? As si
Ian
Lawson
Lawson
ba yun,
is waiting in the wings.
Yeah. So, guys, let
Pero,
us know.
no,
Who do you want
yeah.
to replace Perez? Sakaling,
Sino kaya?
yeah.
Okay, so all that being said, Perez is now up to P11. He's made 5 positions na.
Lawson, yun.
Pero Pierre Gasly nasa likod niya has made 8 positions. So, well, considering yung mga tao na nag-pit. Pero let's see what's happening here kasi this might get interesting later on. Meanwhile, up front, andyan pa rin, Piastri pa rin, leading into lap 11. Norris is now 3 seconds behind. And Perez is...
And then Verstappen.
Verstappen
is 2
is
seconds behind.
1.7
Guys,
Nice.
seconds.
they are in the same tire, and these two McLaren are scarily fast right now. So, what do you think, guys?
Yeah,
Championship
they have
battle.
the pace talaga, bay.
Yeah, but
They have the pace talaga.
No.
May challenge na
They have
talaga.
the grip.
no, what I meant is scarily fast that they're gonna do a mistake at the end of the race, sort of.
Ayun lang.
Something like
Wag
that.
lang sila
Yun lang.
maging,
Strategy ang kalaban strategy.
Di ba?
Saka ang pit crew.
Kumbaga. So,
Yes.
Miles,
So it's down
how
to
are you?
the pit crew na yan.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin ang mangyari mamaya.
Miles, how are you? Are we gonna see
Yes. Good evening sa lahat.
Nagdina pa ito si Miles eh.
Yeah. First and foremost, good evening sa lahat. Hope everybody's safe and dry. Mukhang maulan dito on this part of
Oo
the
nga,
world. Okay? So, hope everybody's Well, medyo nakalimutan ko yung oras. Kala ko alas 10 pa. Sorry about that. But anyway,
Oh, really? It's okay.
sa nakikita ko yun, courtesy of our friends from F1 Dash, di ba?
Yeah.
Well, George Russell is currently running 10th, di ba?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Hindi.
And we are
Miles,
on lap. Anong lap na
Miles,
tayo, Jong?
Yeah, this is lap number
Lap 12 na tayo.
12. Miles,
Lap
may tanong
12,
ako.
okay. That's good, yeah.
Miles, may tanong ako. The two McLarens are scarily fast right now. They are lapping, the Red Bulls and the Hamiltons at a very nice pace. Scarily fast that, at the end of the race they're gonna make a mistake or whatsoever. What do you think?
Jong, this is Hungarian Grand Prix. Okay. This is Monaco without walls.
I know, yes.
Yes.
I
Yun yung
told that a
sabi
while ago.
Ayun ba? Okay, anyway.
I know. I
So,
mentioned that a
they're
while
just
ago.
trying. They are both trying their to have an advantage. Really have a good advantage using currently right now. Thank you to F1 Dash. They're currently doing mediums, di ba? So they're extending their stint for this race. But anyway, yun na nga.
Yeah, but
Tingnan natin kasi malapit na ang pit window ng mediums eh. Malapit na, oh.
Can everybody
Versus lap,
know
pagsisimula
the
ng
window is
mga
15 lap?
mediums natin.
Lap number 15, right? Tama ba? That's
Yep.
what I've
Mga
that's what
ganda,
I've checked out. Yeah.
Pit din sila.
But look at that.
15 to 20.
Yeah. Yeah, grabe. No? So now if you look at here at the mid pack, Checo Perez, the one that we've been talking about. Now, who do you want to replace with? Suddenly found himself in number 11 right here. So ayun, there's a
Tingnan natin, naka-hards pa si Perez. So,
he's in hard, so
iba,
it's gonna pit
iba ang
lane.
strategy niya kay Max.
Yeah.
Iba ang strategy niya to the front runners talaga. So, we'll see how long the hards will last on this stint, no? Kasi, Hungaroring pa talaga. Of all
Yeah.
places. Tingnan natin kung anong...
Makikita natin George Russell is also on hards. So parang sinadya talaga yung hards on Perez and Hamilton. On George Russell for this.
Yeah, because
Oh.
Miles, they started
For the long
16
run.
and 17. They
Yes.
started 16
Sinadya
and
silang
17.
ganun for the long run.
Kaya ganyan ang sistema nila ngayon. And then,
Wow.
the Aston Martin started with softs, pati yung sila, sino ba naka-soft dyan? Si Stroll, hindi pa nagpipit.
Naka-soft pa. Hindi pa
Siya
napipit
na lang
yan.
yung soft na natira.
Oh yeah.
Hülkenberg, currently fastest lap. Uy, mahabol.
Okay, this is also surprising. Hulkenberg, he started on the pit, right? Tama ba? Did he start on the pit?
He didn't, pero considering na ano siya, he started
P20, if I'm not
11.
mistaken.
Oh.
Yeah.
P11 tapos naka-hards na ngayon. So long ano siya, long run.
Long run.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen there?
Checo Perez is catching up with George Russell. And Piastri is really capitalizing the clean air. Wala siyang hinahabol eh. Kaya he's 3.5 seconds away from Norris.
Yeah.
Yep, and Norris has just been told na his race is with Verstappen. So wala sila at the moment, wala sila plano na habulin si Piastri.
Oh. So,
Verstappen is also
Good
3 seconds
bit.
away. Yeah.
this
Good
is-
vis
Gentlemen. Gentlemen,
Ayoko
gentlemen.
sabihin,
Okay.
good vis
Miles
Parang
trying to say
okay.
something. Okay, Miles, go.
Gentlemen, ito lang kinakatakutan ko yun. From what I'm seeing right now, we both know that McLaren recently had not some good pit calls, diba, for the past few races for this season. Diba? So baka masasayang lang tong lead nitong dalawang papaya boys. Pero I don't wanna jinx it.
Exactly.
Miles, yun sinasabi ko, scarily fast and suddenly they're gonna blow it on the end of the race.
Yes.
Wag
Yun
naman.
ang-
That's
yun ang
what I'm trying to
nakakatakot.
say. Okay. I'm
Pero-
rooting for
Foreshadow.
McLaren
Wala
right now.
On the lighter
What's
side,
happening?
Nakakarap naman ng t-shirt.
Yeah.
yes. On the lighter side, diba?
Ito
I don't know if
na,
you've
lap
seen
14.
this video na lumabas from McLaren. I don't know, I think if it was from McLaren or any F1 outfit. There was this Indian guy na nagpa-selfie, nagpa-picture kay Oscar Piastri. Then this Indian guy gave money to Oscar Piastri.
Oh my God.
Tapos yung mga comments naman, maraming nag-comments na ganito, ganyan. But somebody commented who is also an Indian na ganun ang culture nila. If you're wishing somebody good luck, diba? Bibigay ng pera. So parang
Ganun ba
there's
yan?
not, hindi masama. Hindi man masama yung mamigay ng
okay.
pera.
He meant
Again,
well.
if you're wishing someone good luck, di ba? Kasi yung pagkatapos niya pagpa-selfie kay Oscar Piastri, bigla sabi, oh, take this,
Interesting.
Oscar Piastri. No. So,
Akala
sabi
niya
ni
binayaran siya.
I insist, you take this, di ba? Pero yun
Ito
na nga.
to.
Well,
Sabi ni CC
that guy
Sainz,
ended up
sabi ni
that
CC
guy
Sainz,
ended up placing the money on the lap of Oscar Piastri. But anyway, CC Sainz, okay. I hope you
Let's see kung
saw it.
gaano kalakas yung ano niya. Yung good luck charm
Yes,
niya.
this Indian guy. Indian
see.
fan. Number one fan.
Okay, shout out lang kay John Bennett Boniel
Ay, good evening.
watching
Good evening.
Hungarian Grand Prix today.
Good evening. Sorry, medyo mabilis na yung, wait. Sorry, mabilis na yung ano
Sige,
namin.
synchronize
So,
lang.
We need to,
Synchronize lang ulit.
yeah.
Yan.
Pardon
By
us.
Verstappen is
Yeah.
Are we
Verstappen,
running
4 seconds
delayed?
na away from Norris.
No, we're not delayed. Who's watching
Okay.
F1 and the three of you? I'm not watching F1 now. This is
Hamilton has pitted.
Ayun.
Uy, unang
Wow,
Unang medium sa
surprisingly.
nagpit.
Hamilton
Baka
pit early.
ito.
Is
Baka
this gonna be on
Anong tawag niya?
hard tires?
hard yan.
Undercut.
Undercut yan.
Hamilton went out.
Yeah.
So he's on hard. Correct.
Hard.
He's
Yep.
on hard. Okay.
Mhm.
I think
Yan, pareho na sila. Tiredness na.
so kumbaga nakita nila yung improvement siguro ni George Russell on hards, no? I don't know. So
Nakita nila yung pace.
2.3 second
Yeah.
pit stop. Nice. Well done, Mercedes. Ganyan mag-pit stop, ha, McLaren. Take note.
i-text mo si
Notes, boy.
Zach Brown. Text mo. Yeah,
Oo. Uy, Zach, kinig ka. Ayusin mo.
No, hindi si Zach eh. Hindi si Zach may problema noon, di ba?
Andrea Stella yan.
Hindi, no. Si Norris. Si Norris, he overshot. He overshot
Kasi
the
lumampas
back.
kasi si Lando, no? Tama, kasalanan ni Lando kasi lumampas siya ng konti.
Akyat Verstappen, akyat.
Oh, Norris,
Norris
pits.
is on the
Uy,
pit. Here we go.
Uy,
sunod si Norris. Sige.
Let us know the pit. Wala lang tayong ano, no? How many seconds is the pit right here?
Yung nakikita ko naman sa
of
video dito.
Ah, your video
20
is...
seconds pala ang average time na pit stop dito
your
sa,
video is
sa Hungaroring.
very updated? Really? Mabilis?
Yung nakikita ko, medyo delayed tayo ng konti sa video.
Ano yan? Bean
2.8
Sports?
seconds.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa Jong na medyo una talaga yung F1 Dash natin.
Yeah.
Una siya
Sorry
by
for
quite a few seconds.
Sorry for the spoilers, but...
So ngayon ko pala nakikita yung pit stop ni Norris. Uy, 2.8, medyo mabagal. Uy,
mabagal, yeah.
But I think he intended to come out before Hamilton. So I think same position. Then the rest of
Okay
the
pa
pack
rin.
will just go out.
Mm.
Yeah. So let's see. I think Piastri is coming in, For me,
You know.
with an 8-second gap there from Verstappen.
uy, Hamilton, humahabol. P6 kagad.
Yes, because on the hards, let's see.
Wow.
Piastri.
Bilis ha. Naunahan kagad
Piastri
yung sunod.
pitting. Piastri is pitting.
Piastri
There
pits.
we go.
Yan
See?
na. Here
let's
we
see.
go.
Verstappen.
Come on, McLaren. Ayusin nyo yan.
If he goes out before Carlos Sainz, this is a interesting,
Verstappen is really complaining about his tires now. Nahirapan na siya
Ayos.
mag-brake. Nahirapan na siya pumasok ng corners. Typical.
typical Verstappen. So
It's
it's okay.
Verstappen talk for box.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung kailan magbaboxin si Verstappen.
2.5 seconds.
So,
Piastri.
Piastri rejoins P4 on hards.
Yeah.
Not bad, not
All
bad.
right.
Not
Wow.
bad, not bad. 2.5 seconds. Okay.
One pit lang. One pit strategy. Ata.
Yeah.
Oh, parang one stopper. Hindi, ewan ko
Sorry
one
guys,
stopper ba
I
yan.
forgot how many laps are we racing.
Lap
70.
ano na tayo? We are
No.
we
How
are
many
at
laps are we
70
racing?
laps long.
19.
70.
7-0.
It's not a single pit strategy. Double to.
Hindi, parang hindi to madadala ng ng one stop.
Yeah.
Meron pa to?
The next stop will be softs, more or less.
Yeah, more or less.
Yeah.
Race to the finish
Hindi
on
kung
the soft.
anong iwan na tires nila, di ba?
Oh, Carlos is very happy. Carl Conrad. Whoa, 2-3 Ferrari. Yeah. Just
Let's
about
go!
Sorry na.
Carl, hindi pa
Yeah.
nagpipit yan,
Yan.
Carl, ha?
Wag sana kayo mag-pit. Wag
Kailangan
na kayo
mag-pit
mag-pit.
yan.
Ferrari, wag na kayo mag-pit.
Naka-medium pa yan.
The mediums are graining na. May graining na.
Oo.
Hamilton is doing purples, ha?
Yeah,
Yeah,
on
I know,
hards,
right?
On hards.
Tahimik
Miles.
lang, pero
Oh,
naka-purple yan.
yeah.
On hards.
Yeah, remember, Hulkenberg had a purple sector, di ba?
Yeah, he had.
Fastest
Hards.
lap on hards.
Kaya nga.
Hmm.
Tapos ngayon, Hamilton kagad. Mm. Magiging factor rin yan si Hamilton mamaya.
Up. Wait, sorry.
Sige, sync muna. Ano ba?
There
Ano
we go.
nangyari dyan, John? Humihinto ba siya ang kusa or ikaw ang
No, it's just cutting out. I think I have to restart. It's too late
manual
already.
na nagre-refresh niyan?
Yeah, I need to refresh it. So from the
Okay.
app. All right, so Verstappen on the lead right here with 20 laps, 50 laps to go in this race. So, wow, exciting for ang nagpit na is Piastri downwards. So, these three drivers right here, Verstappen,
Mhm.
Charles, and Sainz are so interesting.
Magpipit pa yan si Verstappen. Malapit na yan. Reklamo na eh. Malapit na yan. Konting alitan lang with GP. Itong resident married couple ng F1.
Ano, married? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, para silang yung resident old married couple ng F1.
All right. For
Yes,
those,
nag-aalitan ako.
yeah,
Oh,
for those
bawi
in the
na naman.
comment section, again, please tell us where are you from and where are you from watching? So I think Yamboy was able to hashtag TPS niece, hashtag TPS nephew, your name, and of course, where you're watching
Your
from.
location.
So your location. So, and of course, tell your friends about it. We
Yep.
try to do this on a regular basis, but of course, definitely, we love to do this on a regular basis. So, guys, let us know if you want, you know, uh, us continue this one, but uh, tell us where you watching from. So kanina, meron ng
Yes.
mga from Bulacan, from Nueva Ecija, from San Juan, from Capiz, Rizal, and Verstappen is now on the pits. So there we go. Let's see.
And
And,
Jong,
oh,
Jong,
yeah.
sabihan lang kita, Piastri is catching up on Sainz. He is now 1.2 seconds away. So
Bilis ko.
the mediums are really
and Verstappen.
Degrading.
Degrading na. And
And
Ferrari pit is getting ready.
Yeah, Sainz
right,
is
so
already in the
yan,
pit.
Sainz is pit. Good.
So, Charles
Leclerc
Leclerc na
leads,
lang.
pero naka-mediums pa siya and he will pit eventually.
And
Siguro
guys,
talagang inuna nila si Carlos Sainz.
gents, look at this. Piastri, Norris, Hamilton. Why did Hamilton
Verstappen,
suddenly found
Verstappen.
himself in third position? Look at
Because
this.
No,
nag-ano sila,
Hahabol talaga
undercut
si
sila
Hamilton.
kay Verstappen.
Yes,
Undercut
yun na nga.
talaga.
Oh,
Malakas ang undercut dito.
yes, grabe
Malakas ang
ah.
undercut dito.
So, if Charles Leclerc will pit right here, definitely he's not gonna catch up on Hamilton.
Yep.
Whatever
Hindi na.
it is. So, we're looking
20
at this
seconds ang eh.
three Mercedes gonna, Oh, wow. Interesting.
Baka, ano ito?
Look at George
Mercedes
Russell's
podium.
position.
Yeah,
Look
George
at George
Russell.
Russell.
Yes.
Yes.
He's just a few
Wow.
seconds
Talaga.
away from
Leclerc
UP.
is staying on.
The
Leclerc is
Mercedes
staying
has a
on.
very
Wow,
strong
what a very
possibility pa rin.
nice maximization of the mediums, ha? Grabe, lap 22. Is there any indication why this...
Matagal ang pit stop ni Max Verstappen.
Matagal, 3 seconds.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yung mabagal
Yes,
Verstappen,
catch up.
3 seconds.
Florence,
Ala.
yes. Sigurado yan. Sigurado
yes, they
yan.
catch up.
Catch
Oh,
up
yes,
yan.
for sure.
No.
No, because Charles Leclerc will still need to pit. He hasn't pit.
Yeah.
But
So Leclerc
surprisingly-
right now, he's just basically dumping his tires para lang makagawa siya ng gap. Pero he will pit.
But the problem-
he will have to pit very
Yeah, but the
soon.
problem with
Mediums
that,
pa lang yan.
Andy, the problem with that, Andy, is Piastri was 6 seconds away kanina. Ngayon, he is 4.5 na. So, it's useless, di ba? Useless
Good
plan.
luck.
Okay, si Carl
Good
Conrad nagsabi, no signs of yellow and red. Yes, of course. This is the race that we really wanted to have. But of course, there's also exciting part when at the end of before the end of the race, suddenly a yellow and a,
Yes.
safety car.
Pasira ng plano. Eh, no?
There we go. Charles Leclerc is already in the pit. So look at that.
Yan.
If Verstappen
Hits.
will be able to catch him, so I hope Charles can come out before Verstappen, but I doubt. There you go. Verstappen is... Oh,
Okay, una yan. Una si Verstappen. He was only 5 seconds behind.
yeah.
Una yun.
Fastest lap na si Piastri. Fastest lap na.
You know.
First win yata ni Piastri talaga ito.
Yun.
Hopefully.
Wag mo na yan. Wag mo na. We want him to win. Wag mo na.
Maaga pa. Wag muna.
Wag mo na.
I mean, ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen, this is what we are praying for so long, no? After the Red Bull dominance. Ito yung gusto nating makita.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Pati
Who doesn't
mapanood.
want to?
Diba?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. All right. So, Charles...
Si Perez, dapat ipasok na nila ito. Pudpud na ang hard si Perez.
Ang hard
Hindi na
yan,
siya
oh.
makahabol kay George Russell.
Hirap
Eh.
yan.
Okay, Justin
Sino
Dominic
kaya ang
Villalon.
JNT slowest lap?
Yeah. JNT.
So far, Max Verstappen, 3 seconds.
JNT slowest lap. Brought to you by JNT. Sorry JNT, walang ano eh. Ang swerte ng Indian Bean. Mamaya na si Sainz. Antayin natin yung checkered flag, please. Antayin natin yung checkered flag. Mamaya na. Wow, looking good. I love it. Sana. Who's box? Sino nag-box?
Charles Leclerc, whopping 6.5. Nasa ano siya? P5.
Yeah.
3.2 seconds ang pit ni Leclerc.
Yeah.
Okay, JNT.
Bagal.
So far, yun ang
JNT.
JNT. So, pit stop.
Guys, JNT din pala yung nagpapadala
Dapat
ng
may
mga ano ninyo ha, ng mga packages ninyo. ng mga wins.
Isip pa.
JNT yung nagpapadala ng mga packages ninyo.
Shout out,
So,
JNT.
Shout out JNT.
Kaya pala eh.
Teka. Kumanta ako ng Smooth Operator video okay for good luck kay Sainz para good luck.
Bumaliktad.
How many laps hard tires
Ah,
can last? Yeah.
Si,
Basically 1.5 with a medium. That's the kinda ballpark figure. So if medium lap at
26.
lap 22,
Ay,
siguro
Ah,
mga
22.
nasa
so more or less
nasa
lap
mga lap
50.
50
tama
more or
na
less.
talaga na ano.
45 to 50.
Sila kanina.
Yeah.
Look at
Mga
Manong
30 laps.
Fernando.
Oy, Fernando.
Manong Fernando
Mm.
is within striking within DRS
Yan.
range from Nico Hulkenberg.
Yes. And Stroll is within DRS of Alonso as well.
So pwedeng
Konting habulan sa likod.
pintik-pintik
DRS train ito.
pintik-pintik na lang to, pintik.
Natatawag na ba natin na DRS train yan? Na
Not yet. Dalawa lang.
di pa, di ba?
Single curve.
Medyo maaga pa. It's a bit early.
Teka muna. Nasaan ang mga Williams boys natin? Williams
Sargent
boys.
is P19, Albon is P14.
Okay. Uy, where's Danny Rick?
Danny Rick is
Nahanap ko
nasa
talaga si Ricardo, no? Nasa
16.
likuran si Ricardo, nasa 16.
Okay.
Ay, nako.
Okay. Malapit na siyang malap ni
Ay, naku.
Oscar Piastri.
Actually, yes.
Carl.
Okay, so relatively uneventful pa to na part
Carl,
ng,
wag na
ng
muna,
race,
Carl.
no? Kasi medyo maaga pa. Pero pag nagsimula na yun sila mag-pit ulit, yan na, things will get interesting pag nagsimula